Hello friends! We are gonna cook again. We are gonna cook mashed potato today because it's our clan night. Ang menu namin today ay American cuisine, so I'm going to cook mashed potatoes. We will start of course with our potatoes. Eto, humingi tayo ng tulong sa friend ko kasi hindi talaga ako magaling. Hindi ako marunong mag-peel. Okay, so now that we have the potatoes, we are gonna put it in a pot. We're gonna put it in a pot, and then we're gonna add water and boil it. Ang dami pala nito. So we're gonna add water. This is soaked, and now we're gonna boil it for 12 to 15 minutes. And along that time, we are gonna check if it's soft enough to mash. Hey! Now we are going to work on the cream and the butter to mash the potatoes with. Okay, to cook the mashed potato, we need cream, garlic powder, and the butter. And we also have salt and pepper. Gonna mix all of that in a pot, and then later, kapag... Basta, wait lang. Okay, so we're gonna boil the cream. Sabi din ni Lester, lots of garlic powder. We're gonna use a strainer to drain the water from the potatoes that we boiled. Master Chef US. Okay natin. Alexa, stop timer! Bago tayong microphone today. Ako na lang dyan, ikaw dito. Ayaw mo ba ito kawalan? Sige, ako na.
Baka mabitawan mo.
Hindi. Go. Pero careful lang ha, huwag mo lalagay lahat. Tignan mo. Oh! So ito na yung boiled potatoes natin. We're gonna mash the potatoes. After we mash, we're gonna mix the butter cream that we made. Now that the potatoes are mashed, we're gonna mix the cream mixture that we did earlier. Tumawag na tayo ng ng SOS. Kasi sobrang nakakangalay na siya. And now we're gonna do the gravy. So sabi nung chef natin, we need flour, butter, and itong beef cubes. Okay, so now we are going to make the gravy. We're gonna use half of this flour and then mix it with butter. We're gonna start putting the butter in the pan on low fire. Can you see it? So, it's melting. Tapos pag nag-melt na, saka i-mix yung flour. Galing ni chef ah. Tignan mo yung butter, parang konti lang. Ano to? Tapos half no. Sheila, nagbo-boil na siya. Once the butter and the flour has mixed well, you add a cup of water or you add water, depending on your liking. Now we're gonna mix it. Then we're supposed to add broth or stock. Pero wala tayo nun, so we're gonna add beef broth cubes from Knorr. Mashed potato pa rin. Pepper. After. Mukha na ba siyang gravy? Di ko alam. This is the mashed potato and then we're gonna try it with the gravy and see if okay na siya. Kasi kailangan ko na umalis. Yummy! So, na-achieve na natin. We are done with our mashed potato and gravy for our clan dinner. Let's see their reactions later.